Hello YouTube. We are locked out.
Yeah, I like sitting in the stroller.
And she's sitting in a baby stroller. Are you a baby?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. We are waiting on a locksmith, right?
Oh yeah, locksmith, yeah.
To come and we walked out of the house without the car keys. So now
somebody didn't
no,
bring
we're
the
not
car.
we're not blaming, making no blame. We all walked out and
I'm just kidding.
so yeah, we just waiting for the guy to get here. It's about 20 minutes. And yeah, Malia, you missing school? Are you mad or are you upset?
No.
No? You're not upset?
No. Are you missing anything?
Am I what?
Are you missing anything?
Sleep. Sleep. It's okay. I'll sleep later.
Can I sleep?
Yeah, go to sleep. Want me to sing to you?
No.
Rock-a-bye, baby, in the treetop. Oh, she woke up. So, Malia, I like your book bag. It's so cool. You just think you all of that, don't you? Yeah. I like your book. You're just so fancy. Look at your little fancy pen. Oh, excuse me. Pencil.
Pen. What do they call it?
I don't know.
It's not pen. It's not sleep.
No. What is up today, Malia? I know that we have to pick. Well, I have to pick Isaiah up at 11, and then Devin has I have to go to school for band.
Yeah.
He's gonna be playing the. What's the instrument that Squidward plays? What's the instrument that Squidward plays? Okay. She don't watch fun. The clarinet. Devin is gonna be playing the clarinet.
That's what you really. I didn't hear you say.
You hear me? You just couldn't think of it, right?
No, I just didn't hear you say it.
Yeah. So tomorrow, you know what tomorrow is?
Your birthday.
Go, shawty. It's your birthday. Get up party like it's your birthday. And I think the first part of my birthday, I'm gonna spend it sleep. Ain't nothing wrong with that, is it?
Gonna have an off day on your birthday.
Yeah, just sleep all day. In my head, I had it all planned. I'm gonna do this and this and this and this, but yeah, I think I'm gonna be at home. I'm gonna be right at home.
You don't want to go anywhere?
I'm good. We gotta pay this man $80 to the block. So yeah, I'm good.
What about me?
And what about you? What you wanna do, Malia? Ain't my daughter beautiful? Look at her. Oh my goodness. Brown skin girl.
Check my.
Oh, what? Oh.
Oh,
She using the phone like a mirror. Oh, okay.
What about like that right there?
Oh, she's very close.
There.
Well, she do have a YouTube channel. She hasn't posted anything.
I have posted.
Oh, she has. Her, and I'll give her on the next video. But yeah, she's a YouTuber just like her mom. And I'm gonna get better and better at this thing as days and weeks go by. Yeah. Oop. Somebody just texted me, so we out. Peace.
Good morning.